Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to concentrate on KCET numericals on capacitors and capacitance. Okay. See, capacitors or condenser both are same only. Capacitor means it is a device which is used to store the charges. Okay. So capacitors means it is a device which is used to store the charges. So another definition means it is defined it is made up of two conducting plates. So it is made up of two conducting plates and it is separated by an insulator. Okay, it is made up of two conducting plates separated by an insulator. So this is the definition for capacitors. Okay, see, capacitors mean it will store the charges. So if it will store the charges means obviously where there is a charges, so we will get electric field. If the charges are at rest, we will get a electric field. If this charge is in motion, we will get the both electric field as well as magnetic field. Okay, so electric field and we will get a electrostatic field for the capacitors also. Okay, so see the first question now, which of the following is known as electrical energy tank? Okay, so here they have given resistor, inductor, capacitor and transistor. Here answer is so capacitors. Okay, why? Because it is why? Because it will store the charges. If it will store the charges means another name they will call as electrical energy tank. Okay, so now next question is the capacities of the conductor depends upon. See, capacity of the capacitor depends upon the charge by potential difference. Okay, now so capacity of the conductor, it is defined as a ratio of charge on the capacitor to the potential difference. So that's why C is equal to Q by V. It depends upon the charge and voltage and it also depends upon the nature of the material. So that's why the answer is all of this. Okay. See the next question. The conductor always stores the amount of. So here the conductors, so previously I told it will store the electrostatic field also. It will store the electrostatic field also and electric field also. That's why so it will here both B and C is the answer. Okay. So see the next question. A conductor when given a charge of 5 into 10 power minus 3 coulomb acquires a potential of 500 volt. The capacity of the conductor is, okay. So what they have given? They have given a charge value. So what is the charge value? 5 into 10 power minus 3 coulomb. Okay. Acquires a potential. So potential value, V value they have given, that is 500 volt. We need to calculate the capacity of the conductor. So capacity of the conductor is given by C is equal to Q by V. So what is Q value? So 5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by V. So V is 500. Okay. So simplify this one here. 5 ones are 5. So it will become 100. 100 means 10 power 2. If it goes to the numerator, it will become 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 3. So that is equal to 10 power minus 5 farad. Okay. See here, if you see the answer they have given in micro. So that's why, so divide the answer by micro. So what is the micro value? 10 power minus 6 farad. Okay. So if this go to the numerator, 10 power minus 5 into 10 power plus 6. So that is equal to 10 power plus into minus 6 minus 5, 1 microfarad. 10 power 1 means 10 only. So 10 microfarad is the answer. So see now next numerical is a 500 microfarad capacitor is charged at a steady rate of 100 microcoulomb second. How long it will take to raise the potential difference between the plates of the capacitor to 10 volt? Okay. So what is the data they have given? They have given the capacitor value. So capacitor value, what is the capacitor value? This one is 500 microfarad. So that is equal to 500 into micro means 10 to the power of minus 6 farad is charged at a steady rate of 100 microcoulomb second. So 100 microcoulomb second means it is Q value. So Q value is 100 microcoulomb per second. How long means we need to calculate the time. So time is equal to question mark to raise the potential difference between the plates of the capacitor. So 10 volt. So V they have given, so 10 volt. Okay. See here. So in order to calculate the time in terms of the charge, so I will use the current equation. What is the current equation? I is equal to Q divided by T. Okay. I is equal to Q by D. In order to calculate the Q, I will use C is equal to Q divided by V and Q becomes C into V. Okay. So that is, what is C value? So 500 into 10 power minus 6 into V value is, so 10. Here 5 tens are 50 into 10 power minus 6. Okay. So this is the Q value. Now substitute here. So here I want T, right? So T becomes, so Q divided by I, okay? So that is equal to, what is the Q value we got? So we got, so 5000 into 10 power minus 6 divided by I. So I in terms of charge value is 100. So 100 microhm is 10 power minus 6 coulomb second, okay? So here, so 10 power, if it goes to numerator, plus 6 and minus 6 cancel. So here zeros and zeros. So answer is, so 50 seconds, okay? So we'll get answer as 50 seconds.